Hi there. Today I wanted to talk to you about this roll around utility bag. First off, it's got this really good strap that's got good padding for your shoulder. This completely detaches from the wheels and the handle and everything at the base of this. It also has multiple pocket options. There are side pockets as well as two front pockets. And then inside the bag itself, we have multiple storage spaces, and it also comes with two separate little container bags that you can put things in. There is several little compartments throughout the entire thing. This is a great bag to use if you have like a lot of things that you don't want to be carrying all the time, but it still does have the carrying option. This would be great for a student or someone that needed to lug stuff back and forth for their career. This would also be a really good travel bag. It's very easy to assemble. You just slide it down on through these handles and then you attach it. It also attaches at the bottom as well. I really could see myself using this for my line of work, putting in my laptop and other essentials for my line of business.